it's weaving time. Just wanted to show you the progress of my project that I've been working on, the 48-inch 8-harness loom. It's been going along really well. However, with the weather being as it is, it's kind of hard to weave out here. But that has not stopped me from weaving. I've been working on several projects and I'd like to show you them now. Made this basket and knitted these socks and made this video. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, please don't, I guess. I don't know, there's no thumbs down button. Oh wait, there is a thumbs down button. Please don't. And if you like watching my creative process, please subscribe. I try and post 2 videos a month, as well as a blog post on my Thefiberenchatress blog at Thefiberenchatresswordpress.com. If you like it, please consider reading that as well. I put a lot of effort into it, and you get to see some of the projects that I don't necessarily show here on YouTube. You will be able to see this finished project, so I will see you guys next time.